Bison! Oh, there's so many flies on him. Ew.
On our way to
in a half mile, keep left at the fork.
Caprock Canyon State Park. We are driving from Pflugerville, just outside of Boston. We left at 4:30 this morning, and it's
keep left at the fork.
11:50. We just are pulling into the park now. It's our first stop on our 10-year anniversary trip we're taking together.
Should we get the picture? Me.
I see it.
Entering the bison range. I see some.
Looking for the bison.
Oh, they're right by that parking lot.
Yes. Look at this guy. He's just right by the road.
He needs a post to
He's
scratch his butt
itchy.
on. Buffalo.
Oh, he's hairy.
Alright, well, let me go in and check in, and then we can call Charlie.
Show us the buffalo.
Show her the bison, and then from there, you gotta get on top of this mountain.
Oh, there's the sign. I can go read.
Because we gotta eat lunch first. Oh, look, I see the canyon. Yeah, we're driving all the way up there and gonna climb up one of those.
Yes.
Better than sit in the car for 6 hours.
Mm-hmm.
They're itchy.
They're so cute. How cool is that? Tell Caroline to come look.
Oh.
Just don't get too close.
Hmm?
Just don't get too close. Sometimes they charge.
No, but I'll run up and climb up that guy's thing.
He said they're really fast on the sign.
Just
Check
taking
it
a bath.
out. Look at that big guy. Whoa.
He's giant.
Whoa, he's digging.
Bison! Oh, there's so many flies on him. Ew. Where's all this rain?
Yeah, there's no sign over there. Yeah, this is where we park. Let's see how exhausted these people are. They're coming back. I'm gonna tell them what they did. Not a lot of cars.
I feel tired already.
Oh, they're good.
He looks
So the
rough.
sun's gonna be that way. I want to face this way. I want to be close, not far.
Brilliant.
Alright. You're gonna need to change your shoes.
Okay.
Alright, I'll show everybody where we're going. Where we're gonna try to go. I should have looked what temperature it was. Obviously we are here. We're gonna head up the Canyon Loop Trail. 0.53 miles. Cut left on the steep incline there at Haynes Ridge. Take a nice view of the park. See how tired we are. And if we're not tired, head up around the north prong and back down. All right, let's do it. Oh, that truck's gonna be hot.
Probably like 90 degrees right now.
It might be just under that. It might be like 88. Happy anniversary. Here's some dirt. Here's some dirt for you. It's 10-year dirt. All right. Where's the trail? All I see is a vertical incline. I bet it goes up around there. A couple switchbacks. You ready? Let's do it. I see some people. 600 feet? That ain't bad.
I think this is harder with boots.
I kind of feel the same because it's so, each step is so steep. You gotta shorten your poles a little bit. It just rained here a lot a couple days ago. Last week, they had a tornado in between these two parks.
Yikes.
That's the intro. All right.
This
Old-
part's kind of flat, so.
Old folks keep on going. I want to call this a victory. We're supposed to go the way we're supposed to. We got to keep going that way. I think if we go right here, we can see out to the rest of the canyon. And then I say, screw walking 4 or 5 miles that way. We just go down. All right, well, let's go see what this looks like. Pretty. You always look behind you. You see lots of pretty stuff. Hold on to your hat. Tundra. Cactus. So, as you can see, we decided to come straight back down the hill versus hiking another 4 hours. We woke up pretty early today. No need to hike another 4 miles. But it likely would have been 4 hours. Maybe go check out the bison some more and see more about the park. But yeah, we are done with the strenuous stuff. It's a little too hot. Tomorrow might be a different story. We'll see.
We're on the corner right here.
I think there's some type of animal in here. When you get to that rim, turn around and dance with your sticks.
This is the aftermath of a way too strenuous hike. We just got in the truck and it's 99 degrees. We thought it was like 85. Maybe
85 when we
90.
started. We should have woke up at 3:30.
So we're running on maybe 4 hours of sleep. A 6.5 hour drive. And finished up our hike in 99-degree weather. So we did it. We made it to the top.
Yep. That's where we walked out right there. That little outcrop.
Yeah. Whew.
Yep. Can't see where we were.
We're on the other side.
Oh, here we go. So a bit in between each of these little creeks is where these hills are. So if you walk here, from here to here, it's steeper than even where we were there.
Oof.
Yeah.
Nope.
So I was going to make us walk 2.5 more miles, and then another 2 miles, and then another mile back down.
I would have died.
Yeah. I'm trying to think where the prairie dog thing is. I think it's over here. You sure you don't want to get out and just walk to? No, I don't want to.
No. My legs hurt.
We got lots to do on this trip.
I'm old.
What do we always do on vacation?
I know, we just wear ourselves out and then we're miserable and have to go right back to work. Look, there's some right there. Right there. See that little mound of light dirt? They're right there. They're just hanging out.
No, I'm on the freaking timer.
They're adorable. He's so fat.